Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be unboxing of the Beautylish Lucky Bag. Okay, I'm not very excited about it. I have watched so many unboxings and the boxes have not been the best this year. And you may say, well, maybe it's because you already own so many products that you don't think that what's in the box is good because you already own so much. No, I mean, that could be a little part of it, but in the past, I've done this for several years, and in the past, they have been amazing. And even if I already own the products, I usually include them in a giveaway. But this year, they've just been including products that I don't even feel should go in a lucky box. So I have not even broken the seal yet. We're gonna do it together. I don't know what's in here. And normally I'm really excited to open this, and not too much this year. And it took forever to get to me. I received this today, the day that this is going up, the 21st. I ordered it, pre-ordered it, because I signed up for their pre-order. And they give you like an hour headway to order it. And normally these sell out right away, and this year they didn't. I checked around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They go on sale, like I believe it's noon Eastern Standard, and normally they sell out pretty quickly. And this year at 5 o'clock they were still available. So we are going to open it now. This is what it looks like. I am not going to be reading this because I'm sure you guys have seen 1,000 of them already. And let's see if I am a lucky duck, which is the only thing that matters. The paper that it comes wrapped in is gorgeous. It usually is. They usually use a different artist every year to do the cover, this paper right here. But again, I'm sure you guys have seen a million of them, so I'm not going to show it to you again. We're going to get to what's important. So everything is inside here. And I'm going to try to find the opening to the bag and not look. Let's see. And just pull one product at a time. Okay, seal. Let me break the seal. It's like taped together. Okay. Ready? Okay, the first thing is by CLARABEAUTY, and it's a run-through detoxifying shampoo. Okay. CLARABEAUTY is a very pricey. I'm going to put the price of every product here for you so that you'll know, you know, what each product cost. And yeah, so this is in, does it have a scent? It doesn't show a scent. This is the bottle. It's a plastic bottle, but it's very pretty, and we can all use shampoo. And this is probably like $45. Not the best scent ever, but we'll see. It's something I will use. Like I said, we can all use shampoo. Is it exciting to get shampoo in my box? No, but it's okay, and it's a nice brand. Some people received dandruff shampoo, which I think that is such a specific product for a specific person that should not be in a lucky box, in a lucky bag, in any kind of a mystery box. I'm sorry, that's just very specific. Okay, then we have this by Kitsch. Everyone has been receiving some kind of product from Kitsch, and this is a humongous claw that I need to grow like 3 times the amount of hair that I have in order to use this, but it's okay. It's a nice quality claw. This is a good brand. I will give this to my daughter or granddaughter. They can use it, and it's a nice neutral brown, which they will love. So this I can pass on, and that's fine. Okay, then we have a small palette by Viseart. These go for $30. I'm very familiar with Viseart, and I love Viseart. I think they're an amazing brand. And this is the Color Story. I do not own this palette, so this is good. Let me push this one in because it was falling out. But this is the Color Story, and it's a very pretty color story, so I'm happy with that. This is definitely something that I would use. Again, these go for $30. Let me put it aside, and I will put it in the box later. Okay, next. This is by Auric, And just about everyone has been receiving one of these shadows. This is Samantha Ravindal's, I think that's her name, brand. And what it is a, I believe, a powder and a cream. What? Okay. Ceramide lip treatment. No. Okay, it's the same brand, but what everyone has been receiving has been like a powder and a cream shadow. This is a lip treatment, which I'm happy to get. I love lip treatments. Look at that cute. Okay, that was just like a little protector. Look at the cute little spatula that it brings in for you to get the product and not put your fingers in it. That's really cool. I like that. Okay, so I'm happy with this, and I'm happy with, so far I've been doing okay, not complaining. Okay, this is a Sonia G brush, which I absolutely love. It looks like a mini, like a travel size, but this is the first time I receive a Sonia G brush. Normally what I get is the unit brushes, like the whole set, but I'm happy with this. These are pricey, they're excellent quality, so I'm very happy to get that. Okay, then I have the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. I already own this, so at the end of this video we're going to have a little giveaway for this. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I did get it. This is a very good palette to receive in my box. So far I think my box is a good one. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, then I have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Flushed. This is a blurring balm powder, and this is in Rose and Brunch. I'm not gonna open it. This is a shade because I own this, so I'm gonna put that aside. Then we always get something from Good Molecules because this is like a sister brand to Beautylish. And this is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which I can use, and I definitely would like to use that. This is a really good, affordable skincare brand, so I definitely do recommend it. I've used different products from them, and they all have been really, really good. So I'm sure this is pretty affordable, and I think it's a good one. Okay, I think we have just one more thing in here. So this is the Even Tone Brightening Serum Mask from Pretty 5 for all normal skin types. So it's just, it brings 5 pieces. I haven't seen anybody get this, so they're okay. I do occasionally use a face mask, so this is nice. Am I excited to get this? No, but I think overall my box was pretty good. I have seen other ones that have not been that great. So what I'm going to do on this video is I'm going to include both of these in a giveaway. So if you guys are interested in getting both of these products, all you have to do is let me know, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which of the products that I received was your favorite. Again, I got the Natasha Denona Roxa palette, the Yummy Skin from Danessa Myricks. This is such a different formula. It's almost like a cream to powder formula. They're very pigmented. They look beautiful on the skin. I own several, and this is in Rose and Brunch, which I think is the most neutral and lightest shade that she has, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I got the set of 5 Even Tone Brightening Serum Mask, which I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, so this will be a good one for me to use. The lip mask from Auric, which I'm excited about because I love everything that has to do with lip mask, and some people have been getting lip balms, but they say it doesn't smell or taste very nice, so I'm hoping that this one is a good one. I'm excited. It has ceramide, so I like to use things with ceramide on my lips. It helps with the lines and the moisture. The Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which I'm excited about. And I'm also getting the Viseart little palette, which I don't have. So I do get to have a palette that I don't own, so I'm very happy about that. and the CLARABEAUTY shampoo, which, like I said, shampoo, I'm not excited, but I can use shampoo. So really I get to keep 3, 4, 5 products, and one of you guys is going to be lucky enough to have 2 amazing products. So again, be subscribed to my channel. Let me know which was your favorite product. I will hold this open for 1 week, and then I will choose one of you to send this amazing palette to, and blush. And yeah, that's all you have to do. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. This is short and sweet. I did better than I thought, because I tell you, after watching so many unboxings, I was not too excited. All right, you guys, I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.